In this video, I'll show you how to earn USDC in Binance. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So the first thing that you need to do is open up and log into your Binance account. If you don't already have a Binance account, I'll drop a link down below in the description. And by using my link, you'll get a welcome bonus as well as a discount on your trading fee. So after you've logged into your account, you're going to come to a page that looks like this. And we're going to go right over here and tap on Earn. If you don't see this little earn icon, we can go right over here to the menu in the top left-hand corner, and you should be able to find a shortcut right over here for earn. If you don't see it, click on more services, scroll down until you see the earn section and tap on earn. That's going to bring you to a page that looks like this, and we're going to go down this list and look for USDC and tap on it. Now what you need to do is you're going to lock in your USDC in order to get rewarded 10.88% per day on your USDC. So for example, if I enter in 10,000 USDC, these are my daily rewards. You can go right over here to the product rules, read through it, make sure you understand it. Once you do, you tap on the square that says you have read and agreed to the terms. Tap on confirm and confirm the transaction. And that's how to earn USDC in Binance. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.